Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Miele washing machine is displaying the F50 error code, the appliance may stop during operation or fail to complete the selected program. This error is commonly associated with motor communication issues or temporary control system problems within the Miele washing machine. Although the message can seem alarming, it doesn't always indicate a major failure. Sometimes simple troubleshooting steps can help restore normal operation and determine whether the issue is temporary. In this video, I'll walk you through several things you can try to troubleshoot the F50 error on your Miele washing machine. Try these. Step 1. Pause the cycle and take note of the F50 code shown on the Miele washing machine. Step 2. Disconnect the Miele washing machine from the electrical supply to perform a reset. Step 3. Leave the Miele washing machine powered off for several minutes before reconnecting it. Step 4. Reduce the load inside the Miele washing machine if it appears overloaded. Step 5. Restart the Miele washing machine and begin a new wash program. Step 6. Monitor the Miele washing machine and verify whether the F50 error returns during operation.